Yeah, what's up my people? So today I'm going to show you how to make an add-on of your domain to your cPanel or hosting. So once you log into your cPanel, head to domains. Here on your far right we have create a new domain. Click create a new domain, input the domain name. If you want to share the root, you can leave it marked. If you don't want to share the root, you uncheck the button, the box. So you're gonna select submit, give it some time for it to submit. So I do not have a large number of domains, so it should take a few minutes. Yeah, there it is. It has been created already. So you can see we have mistakesalliance.co.ke over here. Yeah, you can click it. I think I haven't selected the package yet, like the website itself. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you can create an add-on of your domain. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Bye.